Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable the classic right click menu in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Google Chrome and search for Windows Optimizer. Now you have to go to this link. Now scroll down. Here you can see Optimizer. Click on it. Now click here and you have to download your Optimizer. I have already downloaded my Optimizer. Now I am going there. Now go to Windows 11. Now here you can see Enable Classic Right Click menu. Turn on this button. If you want to enable Classic Right Click menu, restart to apply changes. Click on Yes. So this is how I have enabled the classic right menu in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.